So 5 daily rituals. First, what is the first ritual? The first ritual is the mother of all rituals. So what is the first ritual? The first ritual is called playing your A game. Now, what is the meaning of playing your A game? You can only be the best of who you can be and do the best of what you can do. In terms of the emotions, in terms of the beliefs, in terms of the attitudes, in terms of the strategies, you can only be the best of yourself today. Means, for example, today you can't be the best version of tomorrow or next year. You can only be the best version of yourself now. Now you can't be your best version of next year. You can't be the best version of last year. You can be only the best version of yourself today. Can you be somebody else? You can't be. So you can be only yourself. This is the first start, right? So you can only be the best of yourself in terms of emotions, attitude, belief, strategy for yourself. So you don't try to be somebody else. Don't try to be someone else of a later age or something, later experience or better experience. Be the best of yourself today when it really matters. How do you know when it matters? What are the critical moments that are important for you? So how do you understand? The way you do that is you don't try to do too much. What do? You ensure every single day you write down 4 things. What are the 4 things you'll write down? You'll write down every single day. You will write down the 4 things for less than 10 minutes, right? Less than 10 minutes every single day you write down 4 things which are extremely important. Okay, and these 4 things you will preferably write down in a small table of sorts, right? What will you write down, right? So what will you write down? You will write down the 4 things in either your own notebook like this. Okay, how will you write down? You write down like this. Remember, a game should not be played for more than 10 minutes every single day at the end of the day or the beginning of the day. What are the 4 things you'll write down? You'll write down, first thing you'll write down in a table or in a small table like this, right? Where being at my best or where I was at my best, right? So these are ideally 1, 2, 3. That's enough. 3 is also enough. I was at my best today during an important meeting. Okay. I gave an exciting response. I was at my best. So now on the right side, what will you write? On the right side, you'll write. On the right side, you'll write things to consider. Okay. What is the meaning of things to consider? Things to consider means you are not overanalyzing things, but you are writing down what is to be improved in the situation or what is to be continued. For example, you write down here saying write down the key takeaways. Okay, repeat this way of responding in 3 more situations, or again in this way only, as an example. Similarly, you are the second item, right? Second time or second instance of the day today. What is second instance? I was during my interaction with a friend. I was just being myself. I stood up for myself. Okay, this is second instance. Now, what do you do? Things to consider. You say, make a note of ways where or time. Make a note of times when I stood up for myself.
Okay.
I am strong. I will make a mental note. Okay, I will make a mental note. Make a mental note. Okay. Times when I stood up for myself. Way to go. This is the way to go. Repeat. This is what things to consider. Similarly, what you will do, you will also write down thing not being at my best, okay, where I was not at my best, and things to consider. Now, in not being at my best, for example, when let's say when my manager snapped at me, I lost my cool. Okay, and on the right side, you write down. Right on the right side, you write down what? You write down. This is the old one. I copied it. I deleted. Right on the right side, you write down. Oh, next time my manager snaps at me. Okay, next time when my manager snaps at me, I will immediately take a 30-second break and go to the washroom or wash my face and come back with a nice, unpredictable response. This is it. So you'll write down like this in a simple way. You'll write down this, only this much. Next, you can take one, let's say, personal example as well. Okay. When I was playing with my daughter, I was not present, right? I was not present. So that's like the one situation where I was not present, right? So what will you write on the right side? Okay, next time, okay, as an example, from tomorrow, I will choose a different place to practice, different place to play with my daughter. This is it. These are, now you can write, let's say, 3 items in being at your best, 3 items and not being at your best. Now you do this for about 90 days. Your ability to implement all of the principles will go through the roof. Why? Because you are not overanalyzing, but you are practicing every day, improving your game dramatically. This is all about playing your A game. Nothing else you have to do. This is all. Now, don't keep worrying every day. Oh my God, am I playing my game? Am I doing my best? Throughout the day, if you worry, your A game is not being played. Okay? Just ensure every day, 5 to 10 minutes, keep on fighting. For example, next time when I prepare for the interview, I will do 3 times practice in the mirror instead of 1 time because I did not come across that confident. That's all. Is it clear, everyone? This is the way you'll practice. This is the way you'll play your A game. And I'll take you through all the 5 rituals first. Then anybody has a question, I'll answer them. Okay? This is the way you will build the first part of your playing your A game. Now, many of you may be confused. Oh, how will I play my A game? What will I do? So you will play your A game every single day for 5 to 10 minutes. One is personal. It may be a personal challenge, a professional challenge. But moments that are really important to you, you got to write down. Some moment was important. Don't write when I was driving in my car. I was really, now just take moments that are really important. Okay, this is called playing your A game, right? So this is the first thing. Second thing, let's look at the second one. The second thing is called your powerful request. Now, many of you are saying, can I make a powerful request to myself? No, you can't make a powerful request to yourself. You have to make a powerful request to people outside. Who are the people outside? You can make a powerful request to, let us say, a mentor. Make powerful requests to possible mentors. Make powerful requests for buddies or other people who can guide you. Make a powerful request to 10, 20 stakeholders. The bigger the stakeholder in your system, the better your results. If you have the best of the best people as your stakeholders and your mentors and your friends and your network, the better is your network as your capability. So start making powerful requests every day to people who you can bring into your stakeholders or networks, or in a way that you're building your network, you're building your mentors, and you are making your own self stronger and stronger by having a fantastic group of people in your surrounding. Powerful requests can also be made to your own family members to do things better. And when you make a powerful request, remember the principles of other person's need, your differentiation in the offer you make, and powerful clearly, and keep fine-tuning it every single day. Review your powerful request using your A game. Well, when I made a powerful request, perhaps I did not understand the need of the other person. So I'll write down the need next time. This way you'll implement the powerful request every single day. Right? The third thing is called crucibles of leadership, or practicing powerfully in the mirror. Now, those of you who feel comfortable, you can do 3 times of practice or 5 times of practice. That's perfectly fine. But what is important is you have to experience an extraordinary sense of confidence and that huge energy and joy when you practice in the mirror. Now, those of you are not feeling that extraordinary confidence, extraordinary energy, you have to do better. Okay, let me show you how to do it so that all of you get a sense of it. Okay, first you say, for example, my crucible statement is called I am not recognized. So how do I practice in the mirror? The way I practice in the mirror is, first I say I am whole, complete and perfect. I am not recognized. Ha ha ha. So I'm letting that go. Ha ha ha. So out from my system, I'm accepting it, I'm letting it go. The third one is called I am the divine child of the universe. I am joyful, I am powerful, I am the divine child of the universe. So the third sentence and the third phrase and third part has to be really energizing, really powerful. The second sentence, you know, just let it go, like, let it go. If it is holding you back, you got to manage your energy, let go of it from your system. Embrace it, accept it, but let go. Keep it letting go. You have to experience an extraordinary sense of power and energy at the end of this ritual. So if you feel low in the day, do it again, no problem. If you're on a break, do it again 10 times in a day is also fine. But you have to, every time you have to feel that super joy, very beautiful energy that flows through you and your life. This is extremely important. Don't do the mirror practice in a way, oh my God, you know, I'm feeling low. No, you have to feel very, very joyful. Don't analyze yourself. Okay, be with yourself. Okay, it's not about, okay, let me analyze, am I being joyful? No, it's about being joyful about yourself. This is what you need to implement as a part of the second practice. The third is called being graceful. Being graceful is not about, I'm a doormat, I'll accept everything that anybody says. Being graceful is about communicating very powerfully, letting go of your angst and upset or whatever in a way that you are experiencing joy, you are feeling peaceful, you are experiencing the sense of that beautiful energy or the wholeness of who you are. That is what the being graceful about. So every single day, find one person to acknowledge for the next 90 days. One person. You can do the same thing, you know, the same person twice in a week as well, no problem. But at least find one person to acknowledge in whatever way. But do not become a doormat in the process. Okay, acknowledgement does not mean I will do whatever you want. No, it's about powerfully communicating it and acknowledging people. At the same time, do not become a doormat. So acknowledge, gracefully bring that gratitude, gracefully communicate it from within yourself. Now, if you have to let go of your anger, let go of your frustration, let go of your angst or resentment or whatever, and bring forth a sense of joy and commit to yourself of what you plan and what you intend to commit. So let go. So when you write the letters, when you build something, let go of something, bring forth something, and commit to something. These are 3 things you need to do. Now, this is a part of your being graceful and really building a powerful sense of who you are for yourself. This is the third part of it. So this is the fourth part. So everybody clear, right? A game is clear. Practicing the mirror and dealing with the crucible is very clear. Then powerful request is clear. And then the gracefulness is clear. And the last one, what is the last one? Phaizen. Now, Phaizen is about understanding one critical but small part of your game. Don't have a Phaizen called I'll read something small. It is actually a critical part of what is your BHAG and Codasar. For example, if you are already managing a team, your Phaizen can be about managing that team powerfully with that one small action. It has to be a small action. It can't be like a huge action for half an hour, 1 or 2 hours. Every day that one action is critical. One Phison is critical. And every 3 weeks or every 1 month, you may have to change your Phison based on whether it has already worked or it has not worked. If it has worked, you have to step up. If it has not worked, you have to step down. Figure out a way of ensuring you are taking that one action, no matter what, you have to take that one action. That is a part of the Phison. So if you do these 5 rituals for sure every single day for about 90 days, I guarantee you, this is my guarantee, okay? I never seen somebody do these things very clearly, very powerfully and fail at the end of 90 days. I never seen. Why? Because your failures will be early. When your failures are early, in 3 weeks you see the failure, then you have to fine tune the Phison very powerfully, take on the next one, implement it and go ahead very powerfully. So implement this very powerfully every single day. This is my invitation to all of you. Implement this 100% completely every single day for the at least 90 days, perhaps for the rest of your life. Okay, this is my invitation. Okay, now let me take a few questions. Now, many of you are confused, right? You are confused to say, now how do you practice? How many times practice in the mirror? That is clear already. Phison has to be tackled by yourself. Yes, of course. A game has to practice every day. Yes, absolutely. A game has to practice every day. No confusion. There's no confusion. All the 5 things have to be done every day. Majority of the days, right? At least 6 times in a week, you have to do this. 6 times in a week. 5-6 times in a week, you have to do it. But don't burden yourself. Oh my God, I'm doing it every day. No. Just do it fully as much as you can. So don't get worried. This is not like a very important medicine. Just do it with complete joy. Have some fun in doing this. Okay. Now let's.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, quickly. Sorry, you're on mute. I put you on mute by mistake. Go ahead. Okay. Now, how to play your A game in every situation? Many are asking how to play your A game in every situation. Practice at the end of the day. Don't try to play your A game every day, every situation. What do? You prepare in the situation list of every day. As you practice, tomorrow's situation is coming. I'll play like this. And when you write down your notes, okay, tomorrow I'll play like this. Write that down. This way you'll be able to practice and keep practicing every single day. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, next. Now, many of you are saying, many of you are writing down called how to build your, one second, let me look at it again. Some inputs on managing emotions, strategies to apply. Now, already clear, right? You are managing emotions through your practice in the mirror. If you practice in the mirror very powerfully, you can manage your emotions brilliantly. Okay, manage your energy, observe your energy through the day. Are you energized throughout the day? If you're not, then there's something which is missing. So understand what is missing and then play your A game accordingly. Okay. Now, somebody's asking how somebody else is taking credit. I'll come to that when you talk about day 2, dealing with politics and bias. I'll come to that. Because day 2 session is about dealing with politics and bias. And dealing with politics and bias, somebody else taking the credit for your work. We will keep covering it every week and every 2 weeks, 3 weeks in the community anyway. Okay. Community sessions happen a lot about dealing with politics like that. Week on week, month on month, these sessions keep happening. Don't worry about anybody taking credit for your work. We will deal with it again and again in the community. Okay. This is not a one-day topic. This is a continuous topic. I'll ensure you get enough sessions in the community so that you can deal with this. Everybody, you need to be there. At least 10 sessions in the weekly sessions will be there. Everybody is aware of the weekly sessions, right? Weekly sessions happen every Tuesday for people who are in entrepreneurs. Every Thursday for people in the jobs. Every Thursday, for example, there will be one other topic. Somebody taking credit. What should I do? Right? All this gets covered weekly in the sessions. So you are just starting this game. You see, mastery will happen. See, 3 days will go like a flash. Don't get worried. Because the mastery will happen with the weekly sessions, the daily implementing, and as you implement in the weekly sessions, as you get to see other people implementing it, you will start implementing more and more. So mastery will happen like that. Okay, many of you may go, oh my God, already 3 days are over, I don't understand. So relax. It's okay. But play the 5 steps every single day, no matter what. Okay? Excellent, great. Now, yes.
Give them warm.
Sorry, Suruchi?
Yes, hi Rajesh. Rajesh, I really want to ask this thing, powerful request. When you ask about at professional setup, right? If I want to have data from someone and my performance is based upon that particular data, he's an IT guy, okay? This is a real situation. Senior software developer. Whenever I'm
Yeah, go
whenever
ahead.
I'm asking for data, he always gives one way or another answer. I'm busy or this and that.
Is he a junior? Is he reporting into you? Is he a peer? Is he a superior?
He's a peer. He's
A peer.
consultant. I'm consultant.
Very good. Make it formal once in a while. Be unpredictable. Okay, for example, mark his manager and send an email to his manager to say, dear sir, it looks like the team has some challenges in sharing the data with me. If this is the case, I'll stop doing this work and I'll hand it over to your team. And for your information, copy my manager also. Nice, send a mail like that. This is called smile and carry a gun.
But my manager will be little
Once in a while, upsetting your manager is good. Otherwise, they'll be slowly upset every day. Right? You should say, I asked. So based on the last meeting, over the last 3 months, I made 7 requests 7 times. I haven't got a response. It looks like your team only wants to complete with this responsibility. Please go ahead. I'll be handing it over. I'll have a KT session tomorrow. I request your team to be present for the KT session tomorrow. I'll be handing it over to you completely tomorrow. Like this, you send a mail. This will shake up the entire system. They will never play around with your remote from next time onwards. Your manager may get upset. Prepare your manager not to get upset beforehand.
वो तो पहले ही हाथ जोड़ लेता है मतलब
No, Suruchi,
you do very carefully.
Suruchi, no. This way of working will not work. You have to take your manager into confidence. You should tell him, I've done my best to get the data. I'm not getting. I'm going to play some nice game. Please don't mind. I'll send this mail like that. You know that why I'm sending. Please don't get upset. Prepare your manager like that. Okay, then you send a mail like that. See, this is called being unpredictable. Many of you not understand what unpredictable. This is called being unpredictable. You have to sometimes show that you are not going to be taken lightly. You see, when you send a KT meeting, right? Everybody will go haywire. Oh my God, she asked for a KT meeting. How dare? You say, sir, you tell me, sir, what can I do? I am lost completely. A bit of drama is required. Is it clear, everyone? These are the games you need to learn to play. If you don't know how to play this game, other people are playing games with you. Then you are gone.
Yeah, that's what's happening. I went to him 5 times. I was sitting with him. He was drinking coffee with me.
Suruchi, see, you are ranting like this has no meaning to anybody.
Okay.
Your data makes a difference. Say over the last last 45 days, I asked for this 5 times. It looks like your team only wants to manage this entire responsibility. So tomorrow is the KT session. Please come prepared for the KT session to hand over the responsibility. This will give a huge shock to them. He said, what is she talking about? Does she not want to take responsibility? Sir, you can see, sir, I'll never be able to manage my responsibility. 5 times I followed up. See, this is called being unpredictable, not just being smiling like this. So nicely, you are not, see, if you get, the more you get upset, the more they are enjoying.
Yes, this is okay.
Right? The more you're upset, oh, she's a sitting duck now. She can't do anything. This also, that also, she can't. Is this everybody getting a sense? See, playing an unpredictable game means don't become your victim here. You are becoming a victim here. Other people are having fun. You have fun. Other people let them suffer. But you are doing it with the right intention. Your intention is good. If your intention is good, you can play games. So I'll tell you, Suruchi, your one email will solve this problem forever.
Okay.
But don't get into trouble with your manager because my manager will get, he'll flare up and say, oh, Suruchi is avoiding responsibility. You should say, sir, see, this is what is happening. I'm getting completely stuck here. So I need only your blessings. I'll solve the problem. Don't worry. But I send a mail like this. They will come back to you and then start shouting at you. But please bear with me. Then you say that, one email you respond. You can request your manager to respond with one liner saying, can you please ensure Suruchi gets the data to that mail that you sent? That's all. Then problem solved.
These days, Rajesh, this chatting and then, the communicator doesn't work. So call up and then speak. Yeah.
Not just that. See, sometimes informal communications get lost. So nobody knows how much work you've done. Right? So to understand what to showcase as formal, what to showcase as informal. That is very important. Is that clear, everyone? Now, sometimes alignment is not possible. Okay, maximizing. We'll go to maximizing. Maximizing is about alignment and misalignment. When the alignment is not possible, part ways. Alignment is not possible. You are not at all going to be happy. It is better to part ways. Means if it is not if it is a very important aspect of your life, it is better to say goodbye, or it is better to say, this is not going to happen. I'm not going to align to this. This is not something that I'll work. So accept it for the time being, or take it and then take it as a pinch of salt and then figure out your own ways. Align or misalign. If you misalign, communicate. Means this is not the way it is going to happen. Nicely but firmly start communicating like this. Is it clear, everyone? So when you misalign, communicate, clean up, say, I'm sorry, this is not good. I'm not going to be able to do this. When you misalign with somebody else, you ask them to make a request. Is this clear? This align or misalign. Don't be in the middle. If you're in the middle, you will have a lot of heartache, a lot of pressure in your mind, but results won't happen. Misalign, communicate. Is it clear? Everybody you're getting a sense, right? So now when you're playing the 5-step, when you align, you start communicating, make a request. When you misalign, you also clean up and complete. Okay. Next, some of you saying being a leadership character, someone I'm lost for strategy thinking. People who are see, this is about differentiate man, differentiate strength. People who are strategic bent of mind should focus more on thinking about strategy, surrounding themselves with people who are courageous. If you are trying to do everything yourself, you will fail miserably. If you are a thinker, if you are a strategy thinker, bring more people who are oriented and then producing the result, courage oriented. If you are not a strategic thinker, see, you are somebody who is see, for example, right? Somebody is you're not a strategic thinker, you are a doer. So do more, but surround yourself with, for example, I surround myself with, let's say, Simon, who's a thinker. He will keep on thinking and giving me ideas. I am a people person. I can work with people day in and day out. But if you give me to make a strategy, I'll take 10 days to make a strategy document. So I'm not a strategy person. But I'll ask somebody else, do I know strategy? I know enough about strategy. But I'm not very good at it. Or I don't enjoy it so much. I'm reasonably smart to understand what strategy is and how I can do it. But I will not enjoy it. I will not grow it. So I'll surround myself. For example, Suhan is a strategy person. So she will make my strategies. I'll find it a little bit and finalize. Simon is a strategy person. So I'll surround myself with strategy people. The day I have not done this, I failed miserably. My previous businesses failed because I did not surround myself with the right people. Is it clear, everyone? So you have to surround yourself with people who are going to give you that clarity of thought as you go along. Don't try to do everything yourself. Is it clear? So now this is a game. Now, okay, how long do we need to get alignment into somebody what matters to you? So Rashi, it takes maybe 3 to 6 months. Depends on what you need to align for. Okay, I'll give you some important tips. Most important things in your life: your spouse, your children, your parents, right? Your spouse and children, if you don't align, you are going to be in trouble. If they don't listen to you, if they don't maximize, you'll be in trouble. So ensure you find ways to align or misalign. Parents, cleaning up, completing, being graceful. If you need to write 10 letters, complete it, write, share, build that joy in the relationship. This is the most important part of your journey as a leader, number one. Number two, relationship with sex. Extremely important. If you don't have a powerful relationship with sex, you will have a lot of misalignment, challenges, frustration, lot of associated drama around life itself in many ways. Third, relationship with money. Do you have a very powerful connect that you are worthy of receiving more? You're worthy of getting more money. If you don't, build that relationship with money, that I'm worthy, that I'm worthy of getting more and more money. And also the strategies. If you don't have both the strategies and the alignment in your mind and you believe that I'm worthy of getting more money, right? Then your career and future, these are the 4 to 5 things which are extremely important in your life. Align, misalign, clean up, be there, be with that sense of joy about each of these 5 topics. Make happy money. Happy money means what? Every paisa you receive, you'll be happy about it. How will you be happy? You know that you are delivered 10 times that money that you receive. Then you'll be happy about it. I'm a very big fan of happy money. What is the meaning of it? If I receive a paisa, if I receive 1 rupee, I need to deliver 50 rupees, 100 rupees. If not, I'll say, I will figure out a way. So every rupee I make, I'm very happy about. I go to a happy money, and a peaceful pillow. Got it? Because you sleep peacefully. If you're not sleeping peacefully, you know there's something wrong. Okay, so ensure that you are building that clarity in your mind as you go along. These things become important. And crucibles, you got it right. Practice the ritual, everybody. Anybody not feeling confident about crucibles, dealing with crucibles? Practice those rituals, the mirror practice. Now, some of you may be feeling low. That is because you're not practicing the mirror properly. Practice the mirror properly. You have to be 10 times more confident in the next 1 month. All right, great. Next. So, cleaning up is clear. Powerful request. Powerful request always about getting the other person to say yes. Right? For example, let us take this example. Sheetal says, I need to approach my topmost senior VC of university. Right? So good. So now, Sheetal, make a request. Practice with a buddy. Sheetal, right? This is a powerful request and shameless pitch. Make some fun video or fun slide to share with your VC.
Directly with VC.
Yeah, of course.
Or-
Right?
No, I'm saying that most of the time I have a very good relation with my principal sir also, and he also supports me like anything. But in case I have so many ideas in my mind, which I'm sure will help my university to develop. But in that case, my principal sir, he thinks that as we are also in a good relation, that either we should go together to the VC or I should forward my ideas, pass on to him, and he will present all those ideas to VC. But
Yeah, I mean, Sheetal, this is like you are being given something on the platter. Most people here are saying, "Oh my God, such a fantastic boss she has. I wish I had a boss like that." Yes or no?
yeah, yeah.
Many of them are saying, "Oh my God, I wish I had a boss like that who's telling me only to go to my super boss." Oh my God. Most people don't get a boss like this. You should be like, "Oh my God, pray to God that this kind of principle."
Rajesh, in that case, I'm happy. In case we are approaching together, in that case, I'm happy. But most of the time, he thinks that he should himself go there and take the credit, whatever I have done. In that part, I want clarity.
See, you first you say that can we go. Second, you send a request and build a parallel rapport with the VC anyway.
Okay.
Parallel rapport is very important. Okay.
Okay.
Ensure that you are building on it. You need to keep doing this again and again and again. Ensure you're on top of this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Excellent. Great.
Yeah, yes,
Got it.
Rajesh, when I make a powerful request to my clients for product orders and all that, they say yes. Okay, fine. So I feel that yeah, I'm winning. But when it comes to actually placing orders, giving orders, they are avoiding.
So, Seema, this is a
in
very
this
common
case,
thing.
should I leave these customers?
No, sir, depends on the kind of customer, Seema. In which means your pricing needs to be thought through, your offer needs to be thought through a little more. Understand, make a note in the play again. You note which products are there, which kind of customers are saying yes, which kind of customers are saying no. Approach kind of customers which are saying more likely to say yes. Number one, kind of customers itself is a answer. Second, also the pricing and which customers are saying more yes. So generally, Seema, you will only get 15%, 10%, 20% yeses, not more than that. Generally, this is a rule. Any
Okay.
business, 10%, 15%, 20% yes is great.
Okay, fine. So again and again, if they're avoiding, I should leave such customers.
Yes, of course. Right?
Okay.
People
So
see,
that doesn't mean that it is a problem with my powerful request.
no. See, any business, if it is 10% yes, 15% yes, it's a good business.
Okay.
Okay. No business runs on 50%. No business in the world.
Good
Okay.
enough. Good enough. Yes.
Excellent. Good. Now, see, for example, Angel, you need to be unpredictable. Make powerful requests. Make some fun element. See, I told you, give some examples. Don't make the same request and expect different results. Okay.
No, sir, the problem is because they are seniors and now it has come to a point, it's been quite a long time. Now it has
What do you mean, seniors?
senior age wise, profession wise, the position wise. Now, fortunately, I don't work with them.
Good for you, Angel. Then you should make a formal email and say nicely send a formal and informal mail. So it looks like I'm in deep trouble. I am going through some real big challenge here. I request your guidance. You being my senior.
I did that, and since that time, I did that. I did that. It was quite formal along with the guidance concept, but at the same time, now it has come to a point that now they are saying that, okay, I'll give you, and it's been more than 1.5 years. They're saying the same pitch again and again. I am thinking
Send
of,
a legal notice. So use
yeah,
public,
this is what I'm
use
asking.
public pressure. Use
I-
public pressure.
I'm thinking of doing that so that
Use public pressure. Use public pressure. Public pressure means what? You send them an email and then copy 4 people first.
okay.
Okay, send a mail, copy 4 people. First set of people you copy are not very big people, but their boss, something like that. First copy somebody who's their peer. Next time you say, unfortunately, I will need to escalate to your entire department, your entire company, I'll need to copy. And this, I have request. I'll send a mail to your boss also, saying that I've been cheated like this. I'll have to go to court against your company itself. Like that you start.
So you mean to say legal action would be quite unpredictable? And
No. See, legal and all will take 10 years. Yeah, you just use public pressure.
that's true. That's true. And that is why I'm just hesitating.
No. See, don't go legal. Legal is very complicated. It takes a lot of time and energy, unnecessary waste of it. You have to use public pressure like this. You write to their boss and say, I desperately need your support because based on the trust of the company, I gave this money and all that. So see, everybody, you have to be smart in understanding the tactics here. Understand the weakness. Their weakness is what? That their boss, if they say something, right, their reputation will go for a toss. Unfortunately, you send a mail to them. Unfortunately, I'll be forced to escalate to your entire company. I'll tell the entire company, based on the company that I was working with, I had given the money. So I'll be writing to the CEO of your company saying I have given money and I'm waiting for the money to come back for the last 1.5 years. Like this, and send a mail. Is that clear, Angel? Then
Yeah. They are not the he's the senior most person, he's the MD, nothing above him. So I have
employees, no, they're employees.
employees. Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Owners, partners, there are so many other people. All right. See, some of you are not getting offers, jobs. Make your resume. So those of you not getting offers, ensure you attend the Disha session. Disha sessions are for people who want to get jobs. Okay. So everybody, now powerful request you clear. Dealing with politics, be unpredictable. I already give you a couple of examples. Understand the weakness, understand the challenge the other people have. Ensure you play around a little bit. Have some fun with it. Okay. Then differentiated brand is not about just writing your statement, right? It is about building your profile, building your every week, write one statement. Okay. Write one article about your brand or about your solution on social media and all these places, wherever it matters, wherever your stakeholders are. Is that clear, everyone? Group leaders, are you getting clear? Now, please make notes of this session and share it in the group. Everybody, can you please make notes of this session and share it back in your group? If you don't share it in the group, they'll keep doing the same mistakes again. Differentiate brand is not about just I wrote my profile information. It is Lata. Many of you, right? If you need to ensure that people who are the hiring managers, recruiters, or your super bosses know that you cannot be taken for granted. You are a phenomenal leader. You have all the ideas. That is, you need to know. Okay. Excellent. Great. So now, excellent. Namita, you can't know. See, you have to be very experienced for you to know who the other person type is. Okay. You have to understand, observe what type of people they are. Okay. That will give you more clarity.
Okay.
All right. So Nivedita, practice more in the mirror. Deal with your challenges in terms of understanding the context. Why are you doing it? What is in it? That will give you more energy. Okay.
Okay.
9. So Varsha, you can build your own brand in the current organization by writing things on LinkedIn, posting it back in the company in the WhatsApp group, and sharing it on the email every week. My article this week, my thoughts this week. Post it on LinkedIn, back in the company, saying that this is what I've done, this is what I've written. So understand the challenges that a super boss has.
So Rajesh, we have a social connect on our organization level as well. And I do see people are, writing, but I don't know how to start and what to post exactly.
Start with one paragraph about the challenges that faced by super boss and a possible solution. Every single week, start small. One idea.
Okay.
Okay, one idea, one possible solution to the boss's problem. As a generic, don't write specific. Generic. This is a challenge, this is a problem, this is a solution, possible solution. Like that, keep writing every week. One paragraph only in the beginning. Okay.
Yeah. So I have a question. Can I ask?
Go ahead.
Okay. So I am currently working as a team lead, and my team is undergoing training, and we have got 1.5 month time to get them accredited, and their training is been conducted by the UK stakeholders, and we are doing the checking and everything part. But I want to ensure that my team is getting accredited within a month to stand for me to stand out differently, because
Right.
even my other peers are also
Got it. Got it. Good.
yeah. So what should I do differently? I'm not understanding.
So you have to have a quota set for this for sure.
Sorry.
You have to have a quota set, a detailed strategy. Phison quota set, the entire strategy document has to be written, proper thought process behind it. Who are the key movers and shakers? Divide and attack. Okay, there are stars. Empower them more. Tell them everybody should get accredited like that. Everybody, when you manage a team, stars have to be given a bigger challenge. Dead roots have to be removed from the system. This will energize your entire team. Stars have to be given a challenge to say, okay, can we do this better? Okay, learn the art of dividing your team properly as per the way they're working. Empower the stars more, remove the dead roots from the team. This will energize the entire team. This is the only way to manage teams fantastic way. The best of the best do this. Is it clear, everyone? Great. Now, Rini, see, this is a very common situation. See, many of you may have situations like this. So, anyway, this situation, right? Boss is biased. This will keep getting addressed in the community. But here, I'm going to give you one possible solution right now. Be unpredictable. Means keep telling, oh, looks like only boss's friends get promoted, sir. What is this, sir? I hope I can also buy you a cup of coffee, sir, and become your friend. Nice, you have to be unpredictable.
Rajesh, I have tried. This is with my previous organization, and the boss is really good. However, she is on an honorary position, so she doesn't come to office every day. And my peer is very good. Looks like she was very good
Right.
on face,
Right.
but as soon as there was something there was
Yes,
something
really, you are being very naive in this situation. Huh? You are thinking they are good, they are scheming behind your back. Okay.
Right.
If you keep speaking like this, you will never get the growth. So be focused on understanding the situations very clearly, that there are enough people who are scheming. Don't fall prey to the scheming. Okay, plan accordingly. Anyway, now we will have Suvarna joining in any time now. Okay, she'll be continuing with the session, and she'll be taking more and more questions also. So everybody, now please get clear. Every situation that you're going through right now, every principle, you please take one by one, day by day, implement. Use the weekly sessions for your continued support and mastery of the program, mastery of the principles. Mastery will not happen in one day. Mastery will not even happen in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It will happen over the next 2.5 months, 3 months, maybe 4 months. You ought to be there. 10 sessions in the weekly sessions. 10 sessions you ought to be there. Is it clear, everyone? Great.
Rajesh, I have a question.
Yes, Vanita, see, you have somebody asking how to handle unpredictable. See, if they're unpredictable, you also be unpredictable. No, have some fun. Don't become like, oh my God, it's okay? Great. Sarala Purpurdas, how to manage time? You will learn better time management skills after 2 weeks as well in ERRC session. Your program will have a ERRC session, you will manage that much more. And in the community also, there will be 3T sessions.
Rajesh, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
So I had written that I need to improve my family business, but I have my own, purview of business, but I want to improve my family business. What is the powerful request I have to make? Because finance is not coming out, business is not getting captured. So that's a big issue there.
So Chitra, 2-3 things. First, you ensure that your requests to your family members are clear. Your family members respect you, listen to you, they implement. Second, figure out where is the money, which are the 5 top customers where you can make money from, and fine tune those requests for yourself, make them first, and then treat other people also. Okay, all the best. Excellent, great. Now we have Suvarna here with us. Yes, go ahead. Yes, Neha, go ahead.
So I am working from home right now, right?
Right.
And I can see that there are
some communication gap with my boss, though it is going good. He's a very nice person, but yes, there are some expectation challenges which he has, and in the end, I get to know that this is what something he was expecting, and I was doing something else. There is
Right.
a misalignment, right?
Right.
So in terms of communication, I have clarified the goals, I have clarified the action plans and everything. So, but still, I'm not getting the clear-cut understanding from him. He is being very nice. He comes up and gives the feedback on certain topics, but the rest of the topics remains unclear.
Great. So let's ask Suvarna to answer this question because she's the one who's been dealing with all sorts of bosses for all her life. So Suvarna, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Fine.
Hi, Suvarna.
Good morning.
Hi,
Good morning.
Swarna.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
I'll see you in the weekly
Very good
sessions.
morning.
I'll see you in the weekly sessions. I'll also see you in the graduation day, say a few days after your graduation day as well. Ensure implement everything. Take our support. Group leaders, can I challenge you to ensure everybody implements? Everybody asks questions if they have. Comes back prepared. If your questions are not answered today, send the questions again to your program coordinator. I'll get them to get our answers. I want to ensure that all of you win, no matter what, and we'll do our best. That is
Sure,
what I
Rajesh.
see. I'm in all the solutions,
Thank you, Rajesh.
but I'll do my best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best, everyone. So over to you,
Thank
Suvarna.
you.
What is Suvarna?
Thank you
Over to
so much,
Thank
Rajesh.
you, Rajesh.
Thanks,
I
bye.
think I'll be here with you another maybe 10, 15
Thank you.
minutes to answer all your
Thank
questions.
you so much.
I
Thank you.
think just now somebody asked question, right? I didn't see who is it.
It's me, Neha.
Yeah, Neha. So Neha, I think this question is something which Rajesh had answered in masterclass, if you remember, right? One of the participant was going through this. Now your boss being nice is part of his job. It is not that he's being nice or anything, that he is trained to be so. He is asked to be so, and he just has to manage so many people, and that's what he does. At the same time, he doesn't give clarity that that is exactly where you need to use unpredictable responses. You might remember the story